Lost again, going back around.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley, and in this channel I make lifestyle, cleaning, thrifting, and DIY videos. For today's video, I am going to be cleaning our carpets. We have carpet everywhere besides the kitchen and the dining room. But other than that, we have carpets in the living room and in every single bedroom, as well as the hallway headed to the bedrooms. I hate carpets, by the way. I hate them because you have to be cleaning them constantly. They get dirty really quick. So you best know that once we have once we have our forever home, we will not be having any carpets in our house because they are very annoying to keep up with. I really don't mind cleaning the carpets because honestly it's very therapeutic to me. I like the carpet lines and all that stuff, but it is very annoying to be constantly cleaning the carpets because they get stained so quick with almost anything. So we are a family of 5 and we also have a toddler, so you know that if you have a little kid, a toddler, so in our case, our toddler does come and eat in the living room, and sometimes they've spilled juice or food or whatever it is that they have in their hands, it ends up in the carpet. I do try to maintain and clean the carpets every month, but sometimes I do go over them more than once a month because, like I said, they do get dirty. So this is what I'm going to be doing today in this video. I will be cleaning the carpet, and make sure that you stick around till the end because I will be showing you guys the before and after of the carpet being dirty and being clean, as well as the dirty water that comes out of the carpet cleaner, because you guys don't understand how disgusting it is gonna come out. Like, I already know that it's gonna come out really dirty, so I want you guys to see the importance of maintaining and cleaning your carpets if you do have any, because they get dirty so quick, and they also have a lot of bacteria and a lot of dirt, sweat, and disgustingness. So if you guys want to see the before and after of me cleaning our carpets, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the current state of our carpet. It looks dirtier than it is because of the color, but it's not as dirty as you think. But there are a lot of spots, mainly in the entrance of the carpet. It's disgusting. I am gonna clean everything. I'm gonna move the table. I'm gonna take everything out, the table, this chair, those chests, and then my rug, and I'll be moving that little table on the side as well. I'm not going to be moving our couches because the carpet doesn't really get dirty where the sofas are at, so I'm just going to leave those there. And then I'm also going to be cleaning the hallway. This hallway is disgusting. I don't think that you guys can really see how disgusting it is. And by the way, these carpets were already ugly when we first moved into this house. They were already stained and all that stuff, so some of these stains have been here for probably years, so that's disgusting, I know. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna be cleaning everything and then showing you guys how clean they will look after. Starting off by vacuuming our sectional, I want to make sure that it's clean because once I start carpet cleaning, I will put everything back to where it was, and I want to make sure that nobody touches the room and that it's clean and it stays like that. So I'm going over with my Dyson and just vacuuming any dust that is on the actual couch or any crumbs or anything like that. I like vacuuming our carpets before I carpet clean them because I just want to make sure that there's no like dirt on the floor. My carpet cleaner is not a vacuum, so every time that I clean the carpets, I want to make sure that I vacuum first. So that's exactly what I'm doing here, and then I'm gonna remove all of the furniture that is in my way. where I'm going to go in with my carpet cleaner, and my carpet cleaner is pretty big and chunky, so I'm just moving everything away from where I know that I want to clean up. There was a lot of stuff that I actually had to move. Everything was in the hallway. You guys just don't see it. But I'm moving everything from where it's from. Like I said, I want to make sure that I have enough space to put my carpet cleaner and to get into those places that I won't be able to get if I have furniture in the way. I'm using my Dyson V11 Animal. I love this vacuum. This is my third or fourth Dyson that I've owned. The first one was the 10. I don't remember. It was a gift for my brother-in-law, and then I ended up getting or upgrading to the V11 Torque. Unfortunately, that stopped working for me, but I know for a fact that it was something that I probably did with it, and it just stopped working on me. And then I recently got this one, and I am in love with it. Just look at all of the dirt that it vacuumed from my carpet. It's amazing. Then I'm gonna go in with the shampooer by Bissell, and this one is for pets. We don't have any pets, but I use that one because it smells really good, and I feel like it gives it more of a deep clean. This is the Bissell Pro Heat carpet cleaner. I think I've had this for maybe 2 years already, and I really enjoy it. I really like it, and honestly it's a lifesaver because if we wouldn't have this vacuum, our carpets would be very, very dirty.
Dreaming of a time when I get things right, lost in the shadows of a million stars.
I just want to take a moment and make you guys notice these carpet lines because they are so satisfying. I just love whenever I clean our carpets or vacuum our carpets and see those carpet lines. How many times do I have to say carpet? But they just look so satisfying, and to me, I feel like it's actually like I'm actually doing something and I'm actually cleaning it. If I don't see carpet lines, I am not satisfied, and I keep going over and over and over again. But I'm so happy with it. It's the simplest things, but it just makes me happy.
Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway heart.
I'm finished with this side of the living room. Just look at those carpet lines. The carpet looks even brighter. It looks very clean, and I'm so satisfied with this. Now I'm going to finish the hallway area because that's where we come in through the living room, and there's more stains there. But as far as here in the middle, everything looks cleaner and it looks fresh, and I'm so excited that it's clean already.
Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart.
I'm about to show you how disgusting the water looks. I'm so happy that I cleaned the carpets. Are you ready for this? Yeah, gross. Gross. Look at this.
Hard. Send a little love, I'll make it back.
Same thing in the hall. hallway, I'm gonna vacuum first before I go in with the carpet cleaner, and then I'm gonna go in with shampooing the carpets. I wanted to show you this little entrance of the hallway. That part was so gross, like it's disgusting. It had so many spots of like food and it was so gross, you guys. But I got to clean that part and now everything looks so fresh and clean. I'm so happy that we have a carpet cleaner, and I'm so happy that I took the time to do this because it desperately needed to be cleaned.
But I was looking for perfection, so I moved on.
Here is the after of our hallway. Everything looks so clean now and it smells really good. I really am happy with the way everything looks, honestly. But yeah, other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around. Make sure you clean your carpets. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!